What's up, LNS fam? Manuel here, and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today I'll be showing you the rest of my sneaker collection, Nike and Adidas. Let's go! So guys, you probably saw the thumbnail. I would like to greet everyone a happy April Fool's Day. Very sorry if you really thought that I'm gonna be selling my sneakers for $1 each. I'm sorry, but I have to do this video. Anyway, I'm here to show you the rest of my sneaker collection. You probably saw already my Yeezy collection and my Jordan collection. If not, please check out the links down below so that you could also watch those videos. And for today, we will be showing you my Adidas and Nike collection, or the rest of my Adidas and Nike collection. So I'll be starting off with Adidas. So for Adidas, let me show you first an Adidas basketball sneaker. This is called the Harden Volume 4 in collaboration with Star Wars. So take a look at that. This is really nice, guys. So as you can see, I haven't worn this yet. This is the other pair. So yeah, these are called the Harden Volume 4 Star Wars collaboration. So okay, so after that, let me show you another basketball sneaker. This is called the Zone Boost. So here it is. Zone Boost. This is definitely one nice basketball sneakers. It's a full-length boost. You probably don't see it because it's black, but yeah, these are actually full-length boost. So yeah, this is definitely one of the sneakers that you would love to wear while you're playing basketball, because this will definitely be comfortable. And yeah, I haven't worn this yet again, so I hope this lockdown or quarantine ends already so that I could start wearing my sneakers. So yeah, so these are the Zone Boost. Now we're going to one old sneakers. These are called the NMD. This is the black NMD with gum outsole. So this is my first NMD, first and only. Well, I got another NMD, but I sold it. So this is my first ever NMD. And this is one of the first few sneakers that I bought when I started collecting again. So yeah, NMD, classic sneakers. Then next would be the second sneakers that I bought when I started my collection once again. So these are called the Ultra Boost Gold Medal, if I'm not mistaken. So I also got these probably 2018, late 2018. So yeah, Ultra Boost. Then I have another Ultra Boost, which I actually got earlier this year, and here it is. I'm not sure what's the colorway called. I haven't used it yet. We're supposed to give away these sneakers, but we weren't able to reach the milestones for the mechanics of these sneakers. So again, I'll be thinking if I will continue to give away these sneakers. But anyway, these are another Ultra Boost. Now next, since we're talking about the Ultra Boost, recently I created a video how to clean my Ultra Boost 19, and yes, I have it over here. Here. So these are the old Ultra Boost 19, as you can see. And if you haven't watched our video where I cleaned these sneakers, you better check it out. I'll be posting the link down below as well. So yeah, I have two pairs of these. Here's the other one. I haven't worn it yet. So again, this is called the Ultra Boost 19 Dark Pixel. Okay, so now I only have one more Adidas left in my collection. The rest I've sold already. So the last one that I'm gonna be showing you are these. These are called the 4D Alpha Edge 4D. So this is the only 4D that's left in my collection. I used to have 3 4Ds. Now this is the only one left. These are called the Alpha Edge 4D. Okay, so now we're done with my Adidas. I only have a few Adidas. So for my Nike collection, let me start off with these. These are called the Nike Zoom Fly Flyknit. I actually have two pairs of these, one in black and one in this color. but I sold the other one already, and again this one I'll probably sell it again. So yeah, these are called the Nike Zoom Fly Flyknit. So this is definitely a very comfortable sneakers. So next, what do I have over here? Okay, I have another comfortable sneakers, and these are called the Nike Zoom Pegasus Turbo. So this is probably one of the most lightest and most comfortable sneakers that you could wear. This is definitely good for running and even for everyday use, just for walking. Zoom Pegasus Turbo. Then moving on, since we're talking about comfortable sneakers, I have over here the Nike Epic React Flyknit. This is actually a Nike ID. During that time when I did it, it's still Nike ID. Now it's called Nike by You. So this is a customized sneaker. So I have a dark gray or charcoal on the top, and I have a gum outsole. Then I also put a gold lining on the heel. So these are called the Nike Epic React Flyknit. So next I have another running or walking sneakers, and it's a very comfortable as well. These are called the Nike Joyride. This was initially launched probably third quarter of last year. So yeah, I was kind of disappointed with these, but yeah, it's still okay just for walking. So yeah, these are called the Nike Joyride. Okay, so guys, now I have another React, and these are called the Nike Element React 87 Red Orbit Colorway. So I used to have a lot of Element 87, but I've sold all of it already. This is the only one left, and actually I haven't worn these sneakers yet. So these are called the Element React 87 Red Orbit. Okay, so moving on, I have another walking sneakers. These are called the Nike Daybreak in collaboration with Undercover by Jun Takahashi. Yeah, so I love wearing these. I actually wear this almost every day because it's very comfortable and it's just easy to wear. So yeah, these are called the Nike Daybreak collaboration with Undercover by Jun Takahashi. So the next few sneakers that I'll be showing to you are basketball sneakers, and I'll be starting off with a retro sneakers. These are called the Penny ones, or the Airmax Penny. So this is called the Miami Heat colorway, because during the latter part of Penny Hardaway's career, he played for the Miami Heat. So these are called the Airmax Penny one. Okay, so now let's move on to another basketball sneakers. I have over here the Zoom Freak one. I used to have 3 pairs of these, and this is the only one left. The other one is for a giveaway, and the other one I sold, and this is the only one that is left for me. So I like the colorway. It's very simple. This is the first colorway of this particular sneaker. So these are called the Zoom Freak one. Okay, so next I have special sneakers, and these are called the Kyrie 6 Manila colorway. So this is a special edition from the City Pack that the Kyrie 6 have released initially. So this is the one that was released here in Manila, Philippines. So as you can see, there's a PH on the side. If you haven't watched my review of these sneakers, please do check out our channel so that you could see my detailed review about this Kyrie 6 Manila colorway. Okay, so up next I still have another basketball sneakers, and these are called the Lebron 17s. So this Lebron 17s I probably wore 2 times, I think, and I love it. It's very comfortable. I'm not really a fan of Lebron sneakers, but with this one I really have to get it because I was initially trying out the Jordan 34, and then I saw these and I tried them on, and it's really comfortable. So that's why I got this pair. These are called the LeBron 17 Lakers colorway. Yep. So I think, oh, I still have few more basketball sneakers. Let me just get them. Okay, so here's another basketball sneakers. These are called the Nike Adapt BB. This is the version 1. This is the first ever basketball sneakers that had the technology, the auto lace or the auto tighten technology. So this is the first edition and I actually like them. Very simple, just a clean looking sneaker. So these are called the Nike Adapt BB. This is the OG colorway. Okay, then for some of you who probably knows this already, I have the second version of the Nike Adapt BBs, and I have two pairs of those. And here's the first one. These are called the Nike Adapt BB 2.0. So this was released earlier this year, I think, during the All-Star weekend. So yeah, this is the first pair, and let me just get the other pair. And this is my second pair of the Nike Adapt BB. I actually have 3 pairs of these sneakers. If you saw my review and my unboxing of these sneakers, yeah, I have 3 of them, but the other one is currently selling at Cop Garden. So yeah, this is my second pair. Probably I'll sell my other pair as well. So since we talked about the Adapt technology, I also have another Adapt over here, and these are called the Huarache Adapt. I used to have 2 colorways of these. I sold the black and white. Now I'm left with this yellow colorway. So these are called the Huarache Adapts. Okay, up next I have a couple of Airmaxes. This is the first one. These are called the Airmax 1 Tokyo Maze. This was released earlier last year, and this was for the city of Tokyo. So this is actually a very nice sneakers. As you can see, this is a more darker version and this is a whiter version. And there's a lot of laces and patches so that you could customize the look of these sneakers. So these are called the Nike Air Max 1 Tokyo Maze. Earlier I showed to you the Tokyo Maze. Now I have this Shanghai colorway. It came from the same pack as the Air Max 1. This is an Air Max 97 Shanghai. So up next, I'm going to be showing you a couple of Fear of Gods. I'm currently selling my other 2, so I only have 2 left with me right now. This is the first one. These are called the Moccasins, the Nike Fear of God Moccasins. So this is a very underrated sneakers, but it's actually nice, guys. With the right outfit, this would be fire. So now I'm going to be showing you my other Fear of God, and these are called the Fear of God Grades 180. So this is definitely one of my favorite Fear of Gods. I like it. I like the straps. I like how it looks. I like the simplicity of it. So these are called the Nike Fear of God Raids 180. These are called the Nike Cortez from the noise cancelling pack. As you can see, it's a plain white sneakers, all white sneakers, because the idea for these sneakers is that you could customize the look of these. So yeah, I haven't started to customize this sneakers yet. So yeah, let's see what I can do. But I have these, and I also have the Air Force One version, which is this one. So this is the Air Force One version of the Nike noise cancelling pack. So yeah, very plain white sneakers, all white. So yeah, you can customize this, but again, I haven't had a chance to customize these sneakers yet. So yeah. Okay. So guys, now I only have a few more sneakers left, and the next one that I'll be showing you is one of my favorite sneakers that was released last year, and arguably the sneaker of the year of 2019. These are called the Nike Sakai LD Waffle. So this is the OG colorway. As you can see, it's very dirty. I've been wearing this a lot. I love this pair, and I'm not gonna sell this one. I'm gonna keep it until it gets broken. So yeah, these are called the Nike Sakai LD Waffle. Okay, so now, I'm really covered with sneakers. Now, let me show you some of my Air Force Ones. And let's start off with this one. These are called the Nike Air Force One in collaboration with Cloth. So this is the blue colorway. It has a gum outsole, very nice sneakers. And if you don't know about these sneakers, you can actually tear off the initial layer just like the Jordans, the Jordan 1 that I showed you on a different video. So you can tear it out and it will expose another colorway of this sneaker. So these are called the Nike Air Force One in collaboration with Cloth. Okay, so I actually have another colorway of these, and this is the black colorway here. So these are the black version of these sneakers, and this is actually a more limited. This is a friends. I'm not sure if it's a friends and family. It's a more limited sneakers than this one. So yeah, this is definitely a sneaker that I will keep. This is called the Nike Air Force One collaboration with Cloth. This is the limited edition. So guys, the next sneakers I'll be showing to you is another Air Force One, and these are called the Nike Air Force One collaboration with Travis Scott. So this is a very nice sneaker, very underrated in my opinion. I think this is one of the cheapest Travis Scott sneakers to date. So while the prices are low, I suggest you get one. But anyway, these are the Travis Scott Air Force One. I actually have another pair of these, and it's over here. This one I haven't used yet. Another pair of the Travis Scott Air Force One. Okay, so guys, I only have a couple of sneakers left, and since we talked about Travis Scott, let me show you my Travis Scott SB Dunks. So this was released a few weeks ago or a couple of months ago. So yeah, very nice sneakers. Very expensive now. The price of these sneakers is very high, and I think it will continue to go up. So I'm probably not gonna wear this, or if I can get a cheaper pair, then I will get that one and then sell this one. Okay, so these are called the Travis Scott SB Dunks. Okay, now I told you I have one more pair, and that is another Dunk. These are called the Nike Dunk collaboration with Off-White. So as you can see, very polarizing colorway. I like this color. For me, this is the best colorway, even though this is the cheapest colorway amongst the three that they released. I think that the Pine Green and the University Red are too plain for me. This one, the Michigan colorway, is very nice. So anyway guys, that's about it. That's the rest of my sneakers, and now I am literally covered, so I have to stand up and talk in front of you. So these are all my Nike and Adidas collection. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Happy April Fool's Day.